Today is going to be an amazing day. It's supposed to snow and rain all day. Hey guys, how are you doing? Good morning. Today is going to be an amazing day. It's supposed to snow and rain all day. And this is what it looks like right now. Can barely see. You can't see that mountain over there at all. You can barely see the top of that one. Look at that. Look at the snow. Alright, well I'm gonna head to work. Oh, it's so nice out. I saw last night, I think, yeah, if you watched yesterday's video, I talked about this before I went to bed. And I'm glad it's actually snowing and raining. Okay, that's all. I'm gonna head to work now. I'm gonna put you guys in my pocket where you're safe. Hey guys, good morning again. I'm at work. It feels like it's nighttime in here because it's all dark out. And because I'm in my pajamas, it's so weird. But still amazing out. There goes a car driving with snow all over it. See, now it's raining. And it's supposed to rain the rest of the day, but when it drops a couple more degrees later, it's supposed to start snowing again. So we shall see. Normally we set our patio up. Not gonna do that today. I don't think it's gonna be needed. Just a feeling. So yeah, it's amazing out. Whoa, there's a bus. Buses are running up here? Oh, that's not a bus. It's somebody's motorhome that is a bus because they're millionaires. The thing is ginormous. That had to have been a fun drive through the mountains in the snow. Anyways, it's still amazing and it better stay amazing all day. Okay, since it's cold and awesome out, we got... What? I did not crack, whatever. We got vanilla lattes and a bacon breakfast burrito with the salsa. Where's my, wait, I forgot my vitamin. What'd you say? Yeah, got it. Thank you, appreciate that. It was over here. Wait, I showed you already, didn't I? Did I not? You can't see it because the stupid van is in the way. It's right there. They have breakfast stuff. I mean, it's the yellow building. It's snowing now. Snow, snow. I didn't think it was gonna snow this quickly. It's like a winter wonderland. So Nick and I decided that when we close early today, if it's still like this, we're gonna drive up. I know this sounds stupid, but it's not. We're gonna be careful. We're gonna drive out of town. That's the road out of town right there that you can't see because of the snow. We're gonna drive up that road to the first river / waterfall, and we're gonna go up there and film. Because how often do you have this opportunity? Ever. All right, we had one table. It's not slowing down with the snow. Nobody's out. Nobody's walking around. So we're closing up. Closing up. Wow, look at all the snow on that Jeep. They came from the mountains. All right, yeah, we're gonna take off here in a few minutes. This is officially the slowest day we have ever had.
Man, I should have put money on that table.
And we're okay with that because it's snowing. It's not like it's our fault or anything, but yeah, no, it's not our fault. All right, we're going home. It's snowing now more than it was before, but yeah, closed. I mean, we were open for a little bit, but there's nobody, absolutely nobody coming in. My clothes are warm, but they are not this warm. Not this one.
So we gotta be back by like
2? Okay, we gotta be back to do pit stuff. Oh yeah? Nice day. Look, you can't see anything now. Before you could kind of see the mountain. Oh.
Oh, that went down my back.
You're supposed to put the hood on before you go outside. Oh, geez, all right. Whew. There's slush everywhere. It's freezing. Not quite home yet. Getting there. Whew. I wasn't expecting this much snow. I don't think anybody was. Look at that. Handlebars?
We are open.
That says closed. It says sorry.
No, come on in, we're open. Please wait to be seated.
Oh, all right, for on the way back then. Oh, my hands. Okay, I gotta put my hands in my pocket. Even my truck knows that it's cold and snowy. It didn't start. We had to get the jumper box, get it all started up. It's snowing more now, and it's more on the ground now than it was when we were walking home. But yeah, doing this, gonna head to that waterfall, film a little bit. Hey, I'm on the wrong camera. This is my ASMR camera. Oh well, I guess that's fine. Oh, excuse me. And I gotta go grab a jacket. I don't have my jacket yet. So, the road is not travelable. See the sign? I don't know if you can see the sign. We're gonna try to catch a sign. It says road closed due to accidents. There's not accidents, but he said people were sliding off the road, which isn't a good thing when the road really does have, it has no side. You just drive off it. So we're gonna drive it to the cemetery because that's closed. So there goes that idea. Oh well.
Looks like there's a person sitting on that bench.
Where?
See straight ahead? Look straight ahead.
Oh.
Does it look like somebody sitting there?
Yeah, it kind of does.
Oh, look at that statue in the middle of the field.
Oh, that is cool.
They're still alive, dig them up! Hey guys, it's bedtime. It's really late. I ended up, I don't even remember when I filmed last. Nick and I came back. I don't think I filmed. I don't know if I filmed any videos at this cemetery. The last video I showed you guys was, oh, I don't even remember. I don't remember. Nick and I got food, we ate, we watched, that new zombie movie, that new Zack Snyder zombie movie on Netflix. It was super good. It was really, really, really good. We watched that, and then Katie ended up calling me. We started another movie, and Katie ended up calling me, and we talked on the phone for over 4.5 hours. So that's why it's 1. I started on the phone. It was like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. When did I 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1? Yeah, it was like 7:30, 8 o'clock when we started talking. So I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired, and you guys are awesome. Thank you for hanging out and watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.